Welcome back to Geometry Classroom. Today we'll talk about volume of spheres. Again, we have three main objectives. Define the volume, identify the solid, find the volume of the solid. The volume, right, of a solid is the amount of space inside that solid. In this case, inside the sphere. Identify the solid. Everybody knows what is a sphere. Looks like a ball, a perfect ball, right? Now, how to find the volume of a sphere? When we have a sphere, we have a certain formula for volume. The volume of a sphere would be given by this formula, 4 times pi times r cubed over 3. Yeah? Is 4 times pi times radius of the sphere divided by 3. It's simple, right? Now let's find the volume of this sphere. In this case, right, radius of the sphere, right, is 2, right, is r. So r equals 2 centimeters. Now, to find the volume, we simply plug in the formula of the volume of sphere. Would be 4 times pi times r is 2, but then don't forget to cube, right? 2 over 3 would be 4 times pi times 2 cubed is 8 over 3. Now, let's find how much is this fraction. Again, we press Control, divide. On top is 4 times pi times 8 divided by 3. Yes? And we press Control and Enter. And we get 33.51 or 33.5 if you round to the nearest tenth. 33.5. Now, don't forget, the unit is cubic centimeters. And one more problem. It says here, find the radius of a sphere if its volume is 500 pi over 3 cubic centimeters. Now, to find the radius of the sphere, we use the formula for the volume of the sphere. Yeah? We know the volume of the sphere would be 4 times pi times r cubed over 3. But in the same time, the volume of the sphere is given, right, and is 500 pi, right, or times pi over 3. So, because V is given, we are gonna have 500 pi over 3 equals 4 times pi times r cubed over 3. So we have a kind of a proportion, right? To solve this proportion, we use cross multiplication, right? So we multiply 3 by 500 pi and 3 by 4 times pi times r squared, r cubed. Good? So, first, we solve for r cubed now. To solve for r cubed, right, we let's simplify a little bit both sides. We multiply 3 by 500, and we get 1500, right, times pi. And the right side would be 3 times 4 is 12 times pi times r cubed. Now, to solve for r cubed, because at the end we need r, right? We divide both sides by 12 pi. Right? On the left side, pi and pi say goodbye. And what's left? 1500 over 12 equals, again, 12 and 12 cancel. Pi and pi say goodbye. And what's left? R cubed. Now, let's find how much would be 1500 divided by 12. So, control divide 1500 divided by, divided by 12, control and enter, is 125, right? So, we can say 125 equals r cubed. Now, but we need r, not r cubed. Now, when you have such an equation, r cubed equals 125, to get r, we cubic root both sides, right? So, we have r would be cubic root of 125, which is, let's find using calculator how much would be cubic root of 125. Now, we use control and this button. Here we put 3, and under the radical 125. And we press control and enter. So the cubic root of 125 would be 5. Yes? So the radius of the sphere would be 5 centimeters only, because r is has one dimension, is just a length. Good? This is all we have for today. Thank you for watching my video.